Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is BizLift, and in this particular video, what I want to show you is I want to show you something that you probably did not know about Instagram and Facebook ads targeting, right? We want to talk about targeting as a whole. Because this is like a major issue for a lot of people who run ads, whether it's Facebook ads or Instagram ads in Nigeria. Most people have issues with understanding their targeting. So I want to break it down to the best of my knowledge, and also, to help you understand basically what you need to be looking out for when you are targeting people. Now, when we talk about targeting, basically, one of the best ways that I like to describe targeting to people is, now, there's this popular saying that if you want to catch a monkey, you behave like a monkey. But there's another side to it that a lot of people do not say. If you want to catch a monkey, you either must know how to jump or climb trees, or you must behave like the monkey, or you can also give the monkey what he likes. So targeting basically is giving the monkey what he likes and also behaving like the monkey. So you must be good at jumping trees, and also that's basically how I can explain targeting to you so that you can understand. Now, you're trying to sell, let's use an example of bags. You're trying to sell bags to people. If you're trying to target those who will be interested in buying bags, based on my definition, what you must do is, one, behave like somebody who wants to buy a bag, or give somebody who wants to buy a bag what they most likely would like, or what they most likely will be interested in, right? Now, let's go ahead and break targeting into two different types, right? I'm going to break targeting into demographics and psychographics. Now, demographics basically covers, if you did geography, you understand demographics. It talks about demograph, where they live, their gender, their age range, and their location, which is also where they live, right? So let's look at that, considering the example we have given, which is a bag, or someone who's trying to sell a bag. Now, if you have a brand that sells bag, the people who most likely will patronize you, where are they? If you are in Nigeria, most people are buying bags. They're in Lagos, they're in Port Harcourt, they're in Abuja. But the most reasonable location to start with is where you're located. The reason is because it is easy to make deliveries in places where you're located. And if you have built a name for yourself where you're located, it's easy for you to now spread your tentacles. So most people would like to, first of all, target where they are located, and then include other places that they consider to be a great market for them, right? Now, let's also look at the age range. Now, this part is where a lot of people miss it. The age range, you must be as much as you want to be wide about it, you also must follow the right information about your business. Check the patronage. The people that have been buying from you, how old are they? The youngest person, how old is the youngest person? How old is the oldest person? Don't just say 20 to 50. How many 20-year-olds can afford the bags that you sell? So it depends on the price of your item. It also depends on the price of your service, whether you're a service vendor. So look at it carefully and say, okay, the people that patronize me the most are from the age of 25 to probably 35, if that is what yours is. Now, let's also move on to the gender. Now, we are talking about bags, female bags. So it's reasonable for us to target female and not just wanting to target both male and female, even though there are men that want to buy bags for their women, but their ratio cannot outplay women that really wants to buy bags. So I won't spend my money trying to target men who wants to buy a bag for their women. I rather would target women who wants to buy their own bags, right? So you need to be as logical as possible with your targeting, all right? These things that I've covered are the demographics, remember. Now, let's talk about the psychographics. Now, if we talk about psychographics, we talk about psychology. Psychology. How do they think? Remember that the example I gave at the beginning, I said if you want to catch a monkey, you either have what the monkey likes or you behave like the monkey. Now, behaving like the monkey is the demographic, right? Now, giving the monkey what it wants is psychographic. How do I mean? Psychology. How does the monkey think, right? The monkey likes banana. The monkey is interested in banana. What are the monkey's behavior? Now, when you are targeting using the psychographics, you must think about the interest, the people you want to reach. What are they interested in? The people you want to reach, what are their behaviors? Because psychographics talks about interest and behaviors. What are their behaviors? How do they behave? What is their pattern online? The people you want to buy, you want to sell to, are they engaged shoppers? Are they people who use iPhones? Are they people who use desktop? Or people who use mobile phones the most? These are details that you need to know. What are they interested in? People who want to buy a bag, they're interested in fashion accessories. They're interested in fashion. Are they interested in beauty? Are they interested in what other things? Are they interested in luxury? So these are some of the things you need to look out for. Ask yourself, what are these people interested in? Now, once you find out these major details, take, for example, like bags that we have mentioned. We said that people who wants to buy a bag are interested in fashion. They're interested in luxury, right? So we have these two things, these two words, fashion, luxury. When we get to our ads manager, we will now input some of these things. Now, let's get into our ads manager and then input some of these things. Now, I'm going to click create on my ad manager. I'm sure you can see my screen. Now, I'm going to choose the campaign type. Now, when I do this, I'm going to continue. Now, I want to show you exactly everything that I just explained to you. I want to show you exactly how you can fix them into the ad. Now, when we get to the ad set where we are going to put in these details, now I want to show you something, right? Now, I'm going to choose people who live in this location, and I'm going to put in the location that I said. So let's say I live in Lagos, so I'm going to target Lagos because I want to reach out people in my location first. Then where do I think I have prospects? Let's say I have prospects in Abuja and I have prospects in Benin, right? So I'm going to use those 3 places. Now, Benin should be Benin City, right? So let's put Benin City, right? So let's say I have prospects in these 3 places, right? So I'm done with the location. The age, I'm going to use 25 and I'm going to use 40. Now, this that I'm doing is the demographics. Now, the gender, of course, I'm trying to sell bags, so the gender will be women, right? That is the demographics. Now, the psychographics is where we're going to put in our detailed targeting. The detailed targeting is your psychographics. Now, when you enter into the box, remember we have 2 words that we want to use. Now, these 2 words would form the basis of our interest targeting. The first one is fashion. Now, let's type in fashion. Now, what do we see? The responses here, we have fashion accessories, fashion design, fashion. So I'm going to take fashion accessories, right? Now, type fashion again. Let's see what else we find that is close to what we're looking for. Let's see if we find anything close to what we're looking for. Nothing else here that looks like it. Now, luxury. Now, luxury, let's see. We have luxury good, luxury vehicle, all those things. So I'm going to pick luxury goods. And I'm going to type luxury again and probably pick luxury lifestyle, right? Now, what other things can we add? Now, your business is about bags. Can we type bags and see what we will see? So let's type bags, right? Handbags, luxury bags, bags and shoes, fashion bags. We have quite a number to pick. So I'm going to pick handbags. I'm going to type in bags again. I'm going to pick bags and shoes. I'm going to type in bags again. I'm going to pick fashion bags. So I'm going to keep picking all these till I have about 6 to 8 interests. Once I have them, I'm fine, right? So I've targeted, this is my interest targeting, which is my psychographics. Now, if I want to look for my their behaviors, I can say engage shoppers. Now, let's say engaged. Okay, let's say engaged shoppers. Now, we have engaged shoppers right here. You can see that engaged shoppers is a behavior. Now, you can see it here. It is a purchase behavior. Engaged shoppers is a purchase behavior. You can see it right there. Now, what other behavior do we have here? So you can just click browse and you can check behaviors. Now look for the behaviors that you feel that would work well, right? Let's go on the mobile device user. You can target people who use iPhones, right? You can target people who use mobile devices. So let's say all mobile devices, we can target that. Now, if this would not work for you, you don't need to use it. I'm just showing you the different options that you have, okay? So these are the options that you can make use of with Facebook and Instagram ads. I'm sure that after you've watched this video, you understand your targeting a bit. You understand it a bit better, right? If this video has helped you, remember that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button somewhere on this video. You can also see I have a full training for Instagram ads. If you want to learn Instagram ads, I have a free training for Instagram ads. I'll leave the link to the playlist. You'll see the link to the playlist somewhere above. Please click it, watch, and learn how to run Instagram ads for free. All right. Thank you so much. Remember to like this video. Remember to leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video.